That's my physique in the morning, currently 2 weeks after taking a break from my wrist injury. But we're gonna be back tonight, don't worry. Got a little business to take care of first. Alright, so the plan is to absolutely smoke everybody today and then just head straight to the gym. And probably hit like a full upper body since it's been 2 weeks, see how we're feeling and all that, try to get the gains back.
Come on, Alex. Go, Alex.
Alright, so the plan is now to head to the gym, hit a light upper body sesh, see how it feels in that, and just try to get the gains back as quick as possible.
Take it slow, but it's not typical. He already knows that my love is fire. His heart was a stone, but then his hands were on. I turned him to gold and it took an hour. Well, I'll be your daydream, I'll be your favorite. We could be beautiful, get drunk on the good life. I'll take you to paradise. So you never let me go. Take me my bones, I can feel you. Take me back to a time when we went to hideaway. Feels a little bit on the couch in the background, how do it? Say you never let me go. Say you never let me go.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight.
I take a deep breath every time I pass your door. I know you're there, but I can't see you anymore. And that's the reason you're in the dark. I've been a stranger ever since we fell apart. And I feel so helpless here. Watch my eyes are filled with fear.
Alright, so that's gonna wrap up the first YouTube video. Make sure you guys show some love so you know I have some motivation to post. I want to be trying to post once per week. So we'll see how that goes.